Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite robot. My favorite robot is Asimo, which is made by Honda. It is more humanoid robot that look like a person wearing a white space suit. Asimo has many parts such as a head, two arms, two legs, and a body. It can walk, run, climb stairs, wave, and even talk to people. It can also recognize faces and understand simple commands. Asimo is very smart and moves smoothly like a human. I like it because it's helpful, friendly, and fun to watch. It shows how robots can make a life easier for people. I also enjoy learning about robots, and Amiso inspired me to study more about technology in the future. That's all about my favorite robots. Thanks for listening.